Two face covers to show you, the barn owl and the kingfisher. The barn owl, very detailed fabric, print from my artwork. See all the brush strokes on the feathers, and there's beautiful barn owl face. This is a cotton lawn fabric. It's very smooth, very tight, fine weave. Inside is this stunning deep dark navy blue lining, also cotton, and along the center inside there is a third layer of brush cotton acting as a filter layer. They're machine washable, you can keep them clean, and they have elastic on, and these little toggles you can see here, and these adjust, they pull to tighten the mask and adjust to fit. The second one is the kingfisher. Beautiful turquoise feathers against that orange. I'm sure some of you have noticed that she's clearly female, the colour of her underbeak. Beautiful wing on the top there. And inside, stunning turquoise cotton lining. Again, machine washable, they're all machine washable, and the elastic toggles to adjust. Now they're structured, they have a bit of a structure, this particular design, so it sits on your face, I think, almost like a little tent, giving you more, in my opinion, more space to breathe, because it doesn't push down your nose and doesn't push down on your mouth. There you go. So the beautiful kingfisher or the barn owl, which will you choose?